technology in the way that it's currently changing, and if you adopt to it and harness it well, can be the differentiator for you, not only for making the backends work better, but also connect with customers better. That is the first point that I want to talk from an SME perspective that you can do with technology. More than ever before, it's the business abilities to compete and grow today directly is linked to how fast you can adopt to technology. And we are in a way today, in a technology forum today where it is equal to the industrial revolution. And I would say that it's equal to the industrial revolution because it's changing social behaviors, it's changing economic behaviors, it's also changing cultural behaviors. And I say this because entry to business barriers was so high earlier. A set company would not go down very fast, or a new company could not come up in 5 years. We've seen a lot of new companies come up in 5 years where they have $1 billion plus revenues and they're addressing the globe. How can that be without technology, without the adoption of social, without the adoption of internet? And I relate that to a few things that the 20th century has got for us. First, it got us a mainframe, and mainframe actually helped all the back-end processes for it to become better. Then came the supercomputer, which helped us to, at the end of the day, get scientific discoveries much faster, the engineering problems got solved faster. Then came the PC, and with the PC you got personal empowerment to go and do a lot more things. So it's the adoption to the local economy that's important. You can't just take something which is available somewhere else and just force fit it. It won't fit in. You also need to adopt to the local needs, and you need to cater to the local needs. That's most important. The other thing that evolved in the last 5 years is a tablet. How many of us use a tablet? Because it's touch-first interface, and a touch-first interface, a lot of people, I can tell you, my grandmother, she never used to use a computer. In my house, there are 5 or 6 computers lying in the house. She never used a computer, but that moment tablet came in, the distance, the proximity just went away. And I'm giving you live examples from what happens in my house. She would never use it. And then came in Skype, my brother's in the US, she would speak to him. And she knows how to exactly go touch there, and the phone would start, and she would wait for it. Now, after that, she suddenly started searching the web, she started searching for food, she started searching for a lot of things. And she suddenly became a digital native out of nothing. And why I'm saying this, this is the start of the immersive technology that's going to come in the next few years. So where do I come across all of this? There are 4 mega trends that are dominating the industry today. First, mobility. Different form factors, PC, tablet, phone, and now television, which is also interactive. And we were just talking on television in terms of how can you sell, and over a period of next 2 years, you can sell everything through the television because it'll become that much more interactive. Second, social. Applications coming to you now. Because the cloud is connected to beautiful devices that you're using, applications that were earlier domain of a small few people in the organizations now are all over. WhatsApp is an application. How many of you use it? And I'm not connecting this to Microsoft to begin with, I'm connecting it to what is the industry, and then I'll bring it back to where I'm coming from. Today, it's got 330 million users. I saw a carpenter using WhatsApp to make a commercial transaction. I have a person in my office who's WhatsApping to his carpenter to tell him what to fit in his new house. And that amazed me. I thought it was only a platform to stay in touch, but it's becoming a commercial platform. The stickiness is very large, and before we know, that stickiness will go to the next level. And fourth, all of this explosion over the last few years on the internet has led us to so much data. 90% of the internet, by the way, got built over the last 2 years. And over the next 1 year, that will more than triple. What is that leading to? Business analytics. You will get such rich analytics that over a period of time, you can actually figure out what your customers want. You can trace the customers, and you can go and give the customers what they're looking for rather than just going in a state way of what you want to go and talk about. There are 2 things that you should be very careful about while you're implementing mobile technologies. One, security. As you get your organization data on there, you also need to be careful in terms of terms and conditions of use that people give you on a free cloud. So you need to be sure that you have a secure environment for you to do that. And second most important, privacy. If you don't take care of your privacy today, 2 years later, you understand a lot of people have intruded into your not only your data, but your social life, personal life. So it's important for you to understand as you use the free available clouds to go and look at privacy as a means. I will stop there, and I'd say this is the era that you guys need to look at, where business entries have become that much easier. Businesses to set up have become that much more easier because technology is helping to reach you to a lot more customers better and effectively. Thank you very much.